Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. Today I'll be doing my first cook with me video, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video, y'all. Today we are making Rasta pasta, y'all. Everybody, and I mean everybody, go crazy over my Rasta pasta. People already called and put in this for their plates, like put me a plate up. So it's about to be good, it's about to be bomb, it's easy to make. I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description box below. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that you'll need. A green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, a garlic, green onions, and then you can add whatever cheese you like, but I'm going to do mozzarella and Parmesan. Those are the two that I use. These are the seasonings. Lawry seasoning salt, Obey, Slap Your Mama. I got a little paprika, pepper, garlic powder, parsley flakes, and then my jerk chicken season, y'all. This is important. The jerk season is what you'll need. Then of course you're going to need some heavy whipping cream. You can use any brand. I just got the Kroger brand, but make sure it's heavy whipping cream, and I got 1 quart of it. Okay, then of course you're gonna need boneless chicken breast. So I already prepped my chicken in the jerk season, so it did marinate for a couple of hours, y'all. It's just a little water in here, I gotta drain it out, but it's all good. If you want, you don't have to use all the seasonings I use, but I love for my chicken just to have that, you know, extra flavor. Okay, so I already washed my hands. I'm about to wash my vegetables off, and then we're going to cut them, and we're going to start cooking, y'all. Before we start cooking, we need some wine, y'all. So I got the Bay Bridge peach moscato, y'all. I got this from Kroger for like $3, y'all. I never had the peach, so that's what we're gonna have. You know, we're gonna sip, and we're gonna cook, and then we're gonna eat, and we're gonna sip some more. Okay, y'all, so I sliced my red, yellow, and green peppers. I usually do orange, but I think I made a mistake and told my daughter to get yellow, but it don't matter. It's still gonna taste good. Then you're gonna chop your green onions up. That's what it looked like. Then you're gonna mix your garlic, and that's what it's gonna look like. I forgot to show you guys the noodles. This is the noodles I'm gonna be using. You can also use the bowl noodles if you like. Okay, y'all, so we about to season our chicken, but I'm going to add some parsley flakes on here. So you're going to take about a teaspoon of oil, and you're going to pour it in your skillet. Then you're just going to place the chicken in there. Then you're going to make sure you turn the heat down on your chicken real low and let it cook. Alright, y'all, so the chicken is done. So once it's done, you're just gonna slice it. Alright, y'all, so now you want to add your garlic and cook it down. so I put my vegetables in a pot. I don't have a skillet that's wide enough, I guess, for my pasta, so I put it in a big pot. So you just want to pour your heavy whipping cream in there. So you're going to add 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, and you just want it to boil. So once it starts boiling, you can add your cheese. And then for the cheese, you're going to add 1.5 cup. But if you like extra cheese like me, then it don't even matter. Just pour it all in there, y'all. I'm just going to be honest. I don't eyeball my cheese. I love cheese. I'm a cheese girl. So I also like to add more seasoning to my sauce. So we're just going to add some more of that jerk chicken seasoning. Why do I call it chicken? Well, yeah, the jerk seasoning that we use for our chicken. Add some of that in there. And then you want to add some paprika. So you're going to add some more of that jerk seasoning. Stir it. And bam, y'all. This is our Rasta pasta. Cheesy. Looking good. You can add more cheese if you like. So good, y'all. This is it. I'm going to show you guys what it looked like plated. And I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so we are finally done making our Rasta pasta. If you make this, let me know. Leave a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Let's do a taste test, y'all. Baby, tastes so good. Make you want to slap your mama. Alright, y'all, this is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.